Hello everyone, this is Sean Chalaki. I am here to explain how to create a virtual background for yourself on Zoom. Presentation is everything on Zoom these days. Most of the people may be doing this out of their bedroom, so you don't want to have a view of your bedroom. What I'm using down here, as you can see, is totally different software. I have a full-blown studio, so that it's not necessarily going to look like this. But what you want to do is come over here in your settings first, in the software that you have downloaded. Once you click on the settings, and then you come over here into the virtual background, click on it, and once you're here at the virtual background, you can select any background that you like, and you can upload it. You can upload by pressing the plus button right here. You can add an image or a video. Once you upload that image or video right here, you can simply select that video or image. I'm going to do it right here. It won't work on mine because, as I said, I'm not using the same infrastructure, but you can easily get a virtual background for yourself to block out whatever is behind you at the time. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a great one.